Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert personal details on Expedia account. So first we're going to go to the Expedia app. So as you can see we're already logged in, so we're going to click on our account section. Then again we're going to click on profile. So as you can see this is the basic information as well as contacts. We're going to click on edit. Then we're going to insert all about us. So first we're going to start with our bio. We can write anything we want. Then next we're going to continue with our date of birth. Next we're going to continue with our gender. Then we're going to choose if we have any accessibility needs. If not, we're going to click on no, I don't have any accessibility needs. Then we're going to click on save. So this is one half of the personal details. You could also insert your contact details as well. Again, we're going to click on edit. Then you can insert your mobile phone number, your emergency contact, as well as your address. So once you're done with this, you're going to click on save. So this is how we add our personal details. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.